is the West Bend fryer. And I want to tell you why I chose this one. I want to show you a few features. First, I like that it shows what temperatures each of these items need to be set at. And I also like that it has an adjustable dial for the temperature for the oil. It has a see-through cover so I can see through it, a large basket, a magnetic plug. I like that. It fits in a regular socket. It has a removable filter to clean. And the best part is the bucket is removable. It's easy to keep clean. Just like this. Plus, it's beautiful. It matches with the rest of my appliances. I love it. It's also easy to store away. It will show you the power is on. It shows you when it's ready. This button opens the top. It has a rest on the basket, just like that. It's easy to store away. I can clean it and then put everything inside the basket and seal it up and store it away just like this. I like the stainless steel look and the smooth plastic. It's also got a vent on the top for the steam. And that's my honest review.